Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for a discount. Hey, we've got this Hokkaido-inspired Sapporo Ichiban variety. It's like a Scallop Shoyu, and that sounds not horrible. And I like things that sound not horrible as opposed to horrible. 3 minutes, then it'll be done. So let's add the water to the line. Come on. Water to the line. And 3 minutes on the clock. Yeah. New music on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. That enthuses you a lot. You like that? Because I say you like it. Right, Pepper? Yeah. So it looks like we got another lead on somebody who will be taking our sweet Pepper. She's bored. Are you bored? Yeah. She's bored. She's too big. Too big! Too big! Go lay down, out of the kitchen. Go on. Constantly shooing people and animals away from the... Go lay down! Jeez. Go! Shooing animals and people away from the kitchen is a constant thing in our apartment. This one has kamaboko in it. Ooh. And I've kamaboko. I should use a thingy. Maybe I'll use a thingy. Where's the thingies? I don't know where they went. Come on. Just had them. There they are. There's the thingies. Got a bag. Thingies. So I'm going to put one in here. There's a thing. Simmer down now. I want simmering and down. I'm almost done. This is my last one. Thank you. Yeah. Where's our thingy go? There's our thingy. Oh boy, look at that. Yeah. Oh, you know, Kermit hasn't been on the show in a while. Mainly because now we have a dog that would disembowel Kermit like that. We've gotten her so many dog toys, and she just basically takes them and destroys them in a minute or two. We've had dog toys that we've like going, here you go, and then she like runs around, parades it, and then sits down and then rips it right open, and all the stuffing starts coming out immediately, like within 90 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. Uncool, dude. Uncool. And we've gotten ones that are supposed to be for aggressive chewers, and now she's got ones that are like, she'll chew on them, but she chewed through the AC unit, the cable for that, chewed and tore off one of the connectors for our electric couch. Of course it was on my side. That wasn't a pleasant day. Okay, let's give this a try. Give it a stir. And I'm going to remove some of this when I do the garnishing so you can actually see the broth. Not bad. It's supposed to be scallop, shoyu. Nah. This one, not so much. Oh, come on, just get in there. Do another one. Oh, to heck with it. Just to heck with it, I say. Ah. Oh, come on. I don't want to get rid of all of it. There you go. Jeez. Okay, so there we are. I'm not entirely enthused with this one. It's like, okay, I get where they're going with it. The stuff Zenpop had to say about it was grossly overcalculated. This is absolutely the best thing you've ever had. You're gonna take a bite and immediately be addicted, folks. They like to throw in stuff like that. The smooth flavor, the smooth texture of the noodle will have you speechless on the first bite. It's like, well, if you're eating it, isn't it hard to... If you try to eat and talk at the same time, you'll not do a very good of either. Good job of either. Oh, come on. Some veg. And there's a lot of kamaboko with it, so I'll add some of my own. I got a little chashu. I was gonna add an egg, but I think I'm gonna poo-poo on the egg. Does anybody want to poo-poo on the egg with me? Poo-poo egg. I'm not even gonna torch it either. I think the kids would love to poo-poo on the egg. That's like one of their favorite go-to words right now. Turn it down! Good God, what do you think this is? Some kind of hamster rebellion? I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, there's that. I was gonna add an egg, but I don't know where I'd put it. So there's our flour food. Sesame seed? A little. Got a new jar of that. I mean, I'm all ready to do long haul reviewing. This is Wednesday. This is the 9th review I've done this week. And I plan all summer, Monday through Friday, doing 3 reviews, a day. A little shichimi. I wish I could shoot the show like I'm doing right now with this, and also at the same time have it being streamed on, what is that new one, Kick? Something like that, or Twitch. I don't know if that'd be worthwhile or not. Alright, well that's it for me. Yeah, this one, not so much. Yeah, no. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Writer wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out, and have a good one. Bye-bye.